Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you an app that I've been using. You can get free gift cards and basically free money. It's called App-like, and this is the main setup here. These are the apps I play for me to get coins. They're called M coins. These are the apps you can play to earn the coins. The stars, more stars mean more money. These are apps I've been playing again. And these are the coins I've been earning throughout the week and months that I've been playing this. There's just a whole bunch. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check this app out. And then here are the gift cards and PayPal. This is the PayPal section. And then here's the gift cards. They got Amazon, Steam, GameStop, all that good places, you know. Xbox, PlayStation. The cards you're probably all looking for, you know. If not, they also have stores and stuff like that. But this is a really good app. Really easy to make money. Just play games and you earn points. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, comment. I'll put the link down below, and I'll see you guys next time.